Hi, Ken Cutler, your Nevada County Public Health Officer, here with you Thursday, June 25th, 2020. Wanted to update you about the recent spike in cases we're seeing, and we're anticipating that that will continue. So, if you think back to the beginning of May, we were at about 41 laboratory confirmed cases of COVID 19 in our entire county. As of yesterday, we were over 90 cases. So, that's a significant increase and of real concern to us. When we talk to people, we are hearing that people are getting together in groups outside of their households. It's understandable that we've all been sheltering at home. We want to get out, we want to socialize, but now's the time to be really diligent about keeping that distance from others, at least 6 feet, covering your face when you go out, washing your hands well, because there is more community transmission. We know that some of the increases due to the availability of testing, and we're detecting cases that people had that we may not have several months ago. But part of it is clearly also increased transmission in the community. So please be cautious and please stay in your household as much as possible. Go out for the essential things. And if you do gather with others, which is still not actually allowed under the state guidance, if you do proceed with that, be outdoors, not indoors. Keep groups small, keep them stable, and keep your distance. Don't share utensils, things like that. With the increased cases that we've been seeing, the increased laboratory confirmed cases of COVID 19 that are in our community, people have been asking where those folks reside. And we want to preserve confidentiality, but also give out information. So we've been showing cases by zip code. If there are fewer than 10, it'll state that. Once it gets beyond 10, we think individuals won't be identified. And we want people to have the confidence that when we interview them, that we're going to preserve their confidentiality. An important piece is that we know wherever you are within our county, or if you go outside our jurisdiction into neighboring counties, there's always the possibility that you could come across somebody who is contagious with COVID 19, whether they look sick to you or not. So please don't let down your guard if you haven't seen reported cases in your zip code. Testing is available with no out-of-pocket cost through the OptumServe sites on both sides of the county. So in Truckee and in Grass Valley, they've been serving over 100 people a day recently at each of the sites. Unfortunately, we've been notified that there's some delay in getting results, and we're sorry to hear that. It can take 5 days or so to get results. That can be frustrating for everybody. But really want to implore you that if you go to testing because you have symptoms, you have some cough, you have fever maybe, or some shortness of breath, talk to your provider and stay home isolated till you get your results. That's really important. Also, if you went to get testing because you've been contacted, you're a known contact to somebody who has COVID 19, please stay home and quarantine, watch yourself for symptoms, talk to your healthcare provider, and please wait for those results. I know it can seem like an eternity, but it's really important not to be going out when we might be contagious to one another. Thank you.